Hi! Good day sa ating mga Watashi Winandia. Welcome again sa my Watashi Wu Vlogs. So, we're now here at Bulacan with my handsome Naruto. Galing kami kay Lola Crazon. And sa my last vlog, nandun yung pinakabahay ni Lola Crazon. And then, we're now here na pauwi na kami sa Quezon City. So, yun na. Hinatid na kami ni Kuya Boy. At sasakay na kami ng bus papuntang Quezon City, pabalik at pauwi sa aming home sweet home. So, here's the view and here's the looks of Hinata. So, yan. So, enjoy sa ride. Nakaano kami, e-trike, electric. Tan 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 tan. May mirror again and again. So, really, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Kasi makulimlim that day. Yan. Medyo may panaka-naka siyang ambon. So, kaya ganun siya kalamig. May handsome Naruto. Tan 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 tan.